fire really don't know, love farming. So I show how we raise goat in Jamaica. There are different types of goat in Jamaica. Also we have a mixed breed right there, mixed with the Nubian. So when they mix, they kind of very stronger. Them can deal with the dry weather. Because goat don't like rain. Because the rain, if you keep them out in the rain, you might get some disease. So these ones are mixed. So they're very easy to deal with. So growing up with my grandfather and stuff, in the hills and stuff, he used to take me to different farm areas and stuff, where I take care of his goats and cows, pigs, everything. So I love farming. I really love farming because it helps us during school time and stuff for it. Many different types of farm area we have. Sometimes we do cows, pigs. So I'm gonna take you on a tour on the different types of goat and how we feed them and stuff for it. Okay? Normally we tie them on a piece of steel because these ram goats are very strong. So I will tie them on a piece of steel so they're not easy pulled up out of the earth. So every morning and evening I have to ensure that them alright because taking care of goat is very unique. They need care just like human beings. So we have to make sure we take care of them on a daily basis. These two small kids right here, there's a mixed breed also. So we're going to take them further on this goat farm. We have many different types of feeding in the hill areas and stuff for many different types of trees. So every time we have to go on the hill, cut different types of feed for them, ensure that them have a daily meal. Sometimes we also go to the feed store and feed them with bag feeding and stuff. See, they are very strong. Very strong. So you have to make sure you drive them in. Yeah, because most of the time they eat pumpkin and stuff for it. So it's a good thing to plant different type of crops because goat them can get different types of feeding and stuff for it. They're eating the pumpkin. They are looking so happily. Pretty little baby goat. Pretty little kids, look at them. So this bush is a very special bush for the goat them. They call it the whitehead. It's a whitehead bush. They call it the whitehead. No matter what kind of chemical you use to kill this tree, it will never die. So them call it the whitehead. Look at the hills. Now the hills and valleys. Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth. Nice farming area. Very, very nice at times. Loving people live in the area. Very nice place to be. Just go up on the hills a while ago, cut a tree. A tree named dogwood tree. So I just go on the hills and cut a dogwood tree so I can give them to eat. There are so many different things you can do in Jamaica to earn an income. But for me, I love farming. I will sit like all day. I will sit all day watching the goat eating. Sometimes you have to watch how them eat, because you see if they see them eat a lot, they can be sick. Sometimes animal can lose their cud, so you have to watch how them eat and stuff for. See the ram goat there? We call him Rambo. Rambo. Always ready to go up on the go. So we call him Rambo, Just check him out. I love farming. So in this area, we're gonna make them feed for the day. Then in the evening we're gonna move them back home, because due to dogs in the area, sometimes we can't leave them far away from us. So we have to take them in to make them safe. Because I could remember like few years ago, maybe 1 year, I did have about like 3 ram goat, and like a dog attack and kill 3 of them. So it's a big setback for me during those times, because I lose a lot. So I have to make sure I take them in. Over here we have a different type of grass over here. In this area, it's a wide area. This is where I make their feed. This is a special grass. So they feed like about, make them stay like about 2 days or so in one area. Because if they stay like more than that, they're gonna be like, they're not gonna eat the grass if they mess it up. If they pee on it and stuff for it, they're not gonna eat it anymore. So we have like few heads of goat here. We have them in different areas, but this is a or one area for now. Because the farm is very big. So we have to go different areas. So I'm just giving you a tour how we raise goat in Jamaica. If you make sure they're not close to each other. You have to cut different type of grasses. This grass is the backyard grass. The backyard, the goat love the backyard grass. You have to make sure like we give them medicine like every week. Due to the weather, if you have a lot of rain and stuff for it, you have to give them a medication called Livestock. It's very good for worming. Very good for worming. And also you have the antibiotic. You have to give them antibiotic. So like every other day we have to check and eat them foot and make sure they don't have any drainage or any disease, infection. Sometimes you can watch how they walk and stuff for it. If you see them a limp, you can know they have an infection on them foot or so forth. And also when they have run in the belly, it's not an easy task. You have to give them a very special medicine, we call it Ivermet. This is very fun to me, and they support me a lot in the community because people keep a lot of party in Jamaica, Burnside and St. Elizabeth. Due to the coronavirus right now, things kind of slow up because one party now keep and stuff for it. So we have to just keep them until the time being, because a lot of party keep in the area and get a whole heap of support. Sometimes we have 2 parties to the week, sell like 2 ram goats. And a ram goat for like about, all depends, roughly 40,000 Jamaican dollars due to them weight. And the mixed breed goat take like about 7 months before maturity, before we can sell them to other people and stuff for it. So it's just a brief tour of my farm in Burnside and St. Elizabeth. Just like and subscribe to my channel. Look out for the next video soon. Fair read. Thank you.